Hi, getaway lovers. So, happy new year to you all. Yeah, guys, I've been busy setting up studio for. So, guys, the first official video I'll be uploading this year is going to be an ace killing. But I'll be tying the ace killing in different pattern. I'll be tying ace killing in using the theory measurement. Now, as you can see, we have length 60, which is 2 yards, and we have length 75, which is 2 1/4, and we have 90, length 90. So, guys, question now is, can length
60 tie is Gele, can length 75, can length 90, can all length tie brother is Gele. So guys, that's what I'll be showing you. Sorry, the sound it's a bit bad, so you have to manage it to me.
So, I'll be taking you through the process of slaying ace killing using this theory length. This video, I'll be using length 60 for you all to see. Then on my second video, which will turn up your notification, I'll use the 75 and then the length 90, which is the normal length for a bridal gele. So guys, if you're ready, I'm ready. And please, as you're watching, share to friends, We will start very soon a program where we'll go live once in a week. Just type any style and you get to ask any question. It's coming soon. Let's go the giddy way. So ladies and gentlemen, now we have used one of the gele. This is length 60 to tie brother in. You can see fan at this side, fan at this side. And you can see it coming out well. Definitely, the reason I'm doing this, the reason I'm tying a bridal is with length 60, because most brides, they don't know, they just give you length 60 as a tie. So it's not your job to do it this way. So now this is the way you tie it. You don't do V. You can't do V because V take a lot of space, so you can't do V. So guys, let's subscribe and let's show you the video. Let's go there. Anyway, so we'll be using length 60 first. Now guys, to tie ace gele with length 60, how do you do it? To tie ace gele with length 60, how do we go about it? Now, I am not going to measure. What I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to measure. So what I'm going to do is,
I will take little, and this gele it's 4 layers, guys. And guys, since this it's not a length 90 gele, I'll just take little and I will pleat. Now I'm going to be pleating. Now guys, when using a length 60, you don't pleat almost all. You pleat and leave at least 2 layers. These 2 layers are going to be very important when you want to drag. Okay, it's going to be very important when you want to drag. So you're going to place on the head now. Okay, placing on the head, guys. So you make sure you place on the hairline after properly joining it very well. You place on the hair.
Right, so please, one of the things I pay attention to here
is to neatly arrange your first layer, which is the base. So you need to properly arrange it so at least your client can be comfortable and convinced that yeah, you're doing a great job. So always pay attention to neatness whenever you are tying your gele. Yeah, just pay attention to the neatness, dress it properly.
Now, we all know how we do this. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll come close, please. Arrange the pleats. Make sure you arrange the pleats.
Arrange your pleats properly so it gives you that smooth flow, and you do also the same thing to the other side. but you don't forget always the short one up, you bring back before you drag. Ladies and gentlemen, you bring it back before you drag. Please drag properly with a hand in both ear, confirming it hasn't pulled
Give
off.
her the short one to hold. Ladies and gentlemen, take your hands up, please. You see how here is, and how here is looking nice. Now, let's start. Please, I'll come this way. Now, we'll take 1 inch. At least we'll make a fold. Once we make a fold, 1 inch. Then, see, your hands will always control it. Now, see. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to practice this game, please, loom ashoke is very nice, but I will advise you to practice with ashoke that are joining. Reason being that this thing will give you this. If you make mistake here, perfect it later. Whenever you are tying, make sure here is equal. The first split you make. Now I'm arranging the first four. Now you will notice that it start getting smaller and you start getting bigger. What you do, you add to it. Keep going. Since this is equal, if I start taking my small, big, I will not make mistake. But if I do not control it to be equal, you start seeing we'll have fan one side, we'll not have fan one side. Then you close it here. You can see that you're not pinning here, you're pinning here. So ladies and gentlemen, I know we took four pleats, but we are going to be pinning just two. Safety purpose, we'll do again with another one. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you are a new subscriber, you're welcome to Train the Giveaway. There are a lot of style you could learn here. Now we have a studio for physical class. All you need to do, the number on your screen, send here to know when it's our next class. Alright, so now come this way. So it's like this now. So what I will start doing, I'll start making my plates from here. It should be on top of each other. I can keep arranging it together. Instead of arranging it normal first. But I want to start from here. Pick it. Make sure it gets to the end, from the end. More, then a bit big here. Just watch. Up each other. See what I'm trying to do? When it gets to the extent we'll start making it very big, I will let you know. Small, big here. Before I start making it very big at the middle, I will check if it might not be that equal, but at least it should be okay. So now the here is too big, here is not too small. So now let's go. Come this way, please. You pick small. When I mean small, I'm not talking about this one, like something like this to bounce. And there's something that will last. And when you are picking, when you start adjusting, start from here. Not you don't wait till you get to the top. Once you adjust a bit, you get to this place. You start raising it from here. Now watch. Okay. Now watch. Now you can see the first one. Now, so that it will not start falling, you give your model or your bride to hold, or if you're working with an assistant to hold for you. Now you go again. Make sure everything is getting to the down, to the bottom. Then you go again, see, you pick from here. Now you raise it up. See? Big. Then small. So now we'll continue. Now another thing is, if I want it to, now if you want your fan to be big at the edge, you make here big. Okay, now let me increase it. If you want your fan to be that big at the edge, you make it big. But me, I like my fan moderate. But let me just do it for the purpose of learning. If I want it so the small here now, small, and I'll make it big. That's why you see is that you see the stuff. The fan are always big because of the way it is. You get so. I'm trying to portray to you guys the way it is. Make small. Now, everything now. Now, someone now will ask, is this still 60? Yes, it is. We didn't measure. We took it to, then we started to work. So this is length 60. This is length 60. Now, you see, if you follow that procedure of making it equal before you start to break, you get this. That's why I said, if you are learning for the first time or you have been making mistake in trying case schedule, this is what you should do. You understand? To correct the mistake. Now, once you follow that procedure, you must definitely get big ones here, small one. So you get it. So that's how, with this now, you can make your case schedule proper. Okay, now let's go. Look at, I'm creating the first one. Watch, creating the first one. Okay, creating the first one. So that one is out. Now let me get another one. That one is out. I'll keep breaking my fan till I get to the end. Get to. Keep breaking the fan till I get to the end. Now when I get to this end, please come to the back. Okay, let's go. When I get to this end, now it's slack here, right? It's slack here. So if I want to make it start here, I'll drag here first. As I'm dragging here, it will affect here. See, when you drag here, it affects here. Then when I want to make the tip, I'll drag over here, see. It will affect the tip. So I've done that. Now, look at this. You can see. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This, what the same thing we did here is the same thing we do here. Now we arrange all the plates on each other plate, on each other. You don't let anyone out. You don't let anyone out. And at this point now, most of you will want to drag. No, you don't drag. Hello, you don't drag. So you continue like this, small, then big up. You get. So you measure it, and you look at it usually. See here and see here. So you arrange it. Make sure you arrange. Make sure you arrange. Is that getting it? If you have not shared to a friend, do so now. And please subscribe and turn on the notification. So, you break also, you want the 2 page. I see, I'm not dragging it, I'm holding it where I'm supposed to hold it. Now, like the way I did the other side, I'm going to break till it gets to the end. I'm going to break it till it gets to the end. But first of all, the first procedure we need to arrange. Ladies and gentlemen, is it looking like an ace gele? And for your information, that's length 60, length 60. This is length 60. Okay, so now I will wrap. I will wrap. Once I wrap, please come closer. I will just pin. Please, if you have not still known how to pin, make sure you learn it. And when you are pinning, that first time you pin is when you make it strong. So please hold your 2 years so that I can wrap the bag. When she holds her 2 years now, all I need to do is this. So guys, this is a new year. Please try to watch and practice. Try to watch and practice. Try to watch and practice. And if you're in Lagos State, you can come for physical class. You can come for physical class. Let's do the video also. Now when you are done, you try to arrange it so that it can go across the way. Whenever you type in, try to get the shape out of it. So ladies and gentlemen, now we have used one of the gele. This is length 60 to tie bridal in. You can see front at this side, front at this side. You can see it coming out well. Definitely, the reason I'm doing this, the reason I'm tying a bridal is with length 60 because most brides, they don't know, they just give you length 60 as a time. So it's not your job to do it this way. So now this is the way you tie it. You don't do V. You can't do V because V take a lot of space, so you can't do V. So guys, let's subscribe and let's show you the giveaway. Let's go there. Alright, thank you.